up, YouTube and all my babies? It's your girl We're Secrets coming at you with another banger. And before we get started, please make sure you comment, like, and subscribe, please. And y'all, remember I said I was going to be doing a giveaway. I am a woman of my word, so I am doing the giveaway. I kept the giveaway a little bit, open a little longer because I wanted everyone to have a chance to participate. And y'all came full throttle, so I had to, pick randomly, the winners. And y'all, what we have, once again, this is option 1. And then this is option 2. This is like a iridescent type holographic overnight purse, so you can wear it as a bag. So yeah, I did select 2 winners, and without further ado, the winners I'm going to be reading. Congratulations, Deja Z. Congratulations, Lametria Oliver. You both are the winners. So y'all have until this video is posted to DM me on my Instagram, Rare Secrets with a Z at the end, and let me know which option is first come first serve. And you basically, let me know which one y'all want. First come first serve. But yeah, congratulations guys, and I hope you enjoy whichever ones you select. And yeah, so yeah guys, so those are the 2 winners. But hold up, wait a minute, y'all thought I was finished when I'm about that extra money? So I know y'all don't think I was just done. Oh, we almost at 300, so I'm like 300 means 3 winners. So we got another winner, Queen of Hearts. Hey, you're the 3rd winner. So once again, we have option 1, option 2, and we got the, hold on, wait a minute, the 3rd option. This is the LV Nano No. And baby, let me open it up for y'all. And this is the 3rd option. It's like a LV bucket bag with the strap, LV strap with the LV logo on the gold hardware chain clip. Right there, y'all. So yeah, that's this one. It's pretty cute and dainty. So this is the 3rd option. So once again, who do we have? We have Deja Z, Lametria Oliver, Queen of Hearts. Hit me up on LG. On LG. Not LG the cell phone, but IG. And y'all let me know which options, 1, 2, or 3, first come first serve. Congratulations to everyone. If you didn't win, I'm sorry. I really am, but there's more giveaways to come. So we're on this journey building our subscribers up. So y'all, there's more to come. So if you didn't win, you bound to win one time or one, it's coming up. We got stuff coming up, I'm working on some things, so don't get discouraged. You might be the next winner of the next, little situation we got brewing. But I'll see you guys in the next video.